Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Grade 1 Math. Today we'll be taking a look at subtracting 0, how to do it, and why we need to do it. First off, with subtracting 0, I'm sure you're very familiar with adding 0 because it's a topic that we've encountered before. We've tried adding, let's say, 6 plus 0, 11 plus 0. So, if I add 1 and 0 together, what would be the sum? Well, the sum would be 1, okay? So, any number plus 0 equals that number. Now, even though I've said that subtraction is kind of like the reverse of addition, when it comes to adding and minus 0, they are basically the same, okay? So I have some examples here. I have 3 letters, 1, 2, 3, and I minus 0. So I minus 3 letters to nothing, basically. And what do I have left? Well, I still have the same 3 letters, okay? The same with these trophies and the same with these pots. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 4 minus 0 equals 4. And 5 minus 0 equals 5. Now, I have something very interesting. What if you have 0 minus 4? Okay, what would happen? Well, it's basically an error. You cannot do that. And why can't you do that? Well, because it's not going to return you anything. What is nothing minus something? You know, it's very weird and it's a hard concept to wrap your head around. Since we're just in grade 1, we're not gonna think about that just yet. But it's an interesting thought that you can think of sometimes, when you're bored. Next up, subtracting till 0. So instead of subtracting 0 itself, we're going to subtract enough until we get the difference of 0, okay? Remember, sum is for addition, difference is for subtraction. So how many pizzas do I have here? How many slices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I have 8 slices, okay? Now, 8 slices minus 8 slices, as I've had here, what would be the difference? Well, it would be 0, okay? If you have 2 candies and your friend takes away 2 candies, you're left with 0. You're left with nothing. You're left with 0 candy, okay? Now, how many bears do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have 6 bears. Now, 6 minus 6 would be 0, correct? It would be 0, okay? Now that we've got to know subtracting 0 and subtracting till 0, let's have a little bit of an exercise, okay? What is 9 minus 3? 9 minus 3. Well, let's say I have 9 of these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And then I minus 3. So I'm going to erase 3. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, if you add 6 to 3, you would get 9. Okay? Next up, 4 minus 2. Now, this is very easy. You can do it on your fingers, basically. 4 minus 2, we have 2. Now, what is 2 plus 2? It is 4. Next up, 8 minus 6. I'm going to let you figure out this one. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, 8 minus 6 is 2. Now, what is 2 plus 6? Well, 2 plus 6 is 8. Oh, this one is quite easy. 10 minus 2. What is 10 minus 2? It is 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay? Now, another easy one. What is the difference between 2 and 1? Well, it is 1. Okay? Next up, 7 minus 6. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So it is 1. Because you only need 1 to get 6 to 7. So if you want to go in reverse, 7 is 6 minus 1. So you get 1, okay? Next up, 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 5, 3, 4, 5. It is 3, okay? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. We also have 3. As you can see, there are different ways of doing addition as well as different ways of doing subtraction, okay? Each ways have its own pros and cons, and you do have to practice a lot to get good at a particular method of doing these calculations. Now, let's work off these two. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now, what is 4 plus 3? It is 7. This is another easy one. 3 minus 2 is 1. All right? Now, let's move on to what we've learned previously. Now, that was just a warm-up. This is the focus of our lesson. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 0, 7. 8 minus 8, 0, since you have nothing left. 9 minus 9. Once again, the same with 8 minus 8, it is 0. The difference between 2 and 0, what do you think? Just like addition, it is 2, okay? 1 minus 0, the same over here, it is 1. 4 minus 4, the same with 8 minus 8, it is 0. 10 minus 10, once again, 0. 11 minus 11, 0 once again, very easy. 12 minus 0, the same as 1 minus 0, it is 12, okay? Now I'm happy that you made it to the end of the lesson. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.